First, guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that the model number of your laptop, and just first link, which is officially ASUS website, and this is your laptop. After that, click on support. Then click on driver and tool. By default, select Windows 11. So LAN driver, and click to download. If you want to older version, you just click on show more, show all. So this is okay. So always try to install latest 2510 and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading and it will open. Just click on it. And then click on yes, then okay, then next, I agree, next, install. So there are two options, first install and second extract. So if you want to save any folder to, so you can extract, otherwise you install directly. Just click to next, install. Yeah, so yeah, it's select yes, otherwise you just no. So when you install any driver, restart, it's mandatory, so you have to restart and then check it. Then next,